Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the Geek Wireless Car Charger. If you are tired of tangled wires on your phone slipping off traditional mounts, this device might be just what you need. Stick around as we unbox it, set it up and test it out on the road. By the end of this video, you will know if this is the right wireless car charger for you. So first you have the Geek Wireless Car Charger itself. It is a clean and modern design with a matte finish and a sturdy build that feels durable. Then there is the wind clip. This adjustable clip is designed to securely attach to your car's air vent without slipping, and a USB-C cable for powering the charger. One thing to note is that a QC 3.0 car adapter, which is required for fast charging, isn't included, so you will need to purchase that separately if you don't already have one. First impression, the material feels premium and it looks like it's built to last. Installing the Geek Wireless Car Charger is quick and easy. Attach the adjustable vent clip to your car's air vent. The grip is solid so it doesn't wobble. Plug the USB-C cable into the charger and connect it to your car's power adapter. Adjust the angle using the ball joint to find the perfect position. The 360-degree rotation allows you to use your phone in portrait or landscape mode effortlessly. That's it. Installation takes less than a minute and your charger will be ready to use. Now let's explore the standout feature of this car charger and how it performs. Auto clamping technology. One of my favorite features: when you place your phone near the mount, the arms automatically close to grip your phone securely. To release it, simply tap the button on the side. It's smooth and works every time. Fast wireless charging. This charger supports up to 15 watt for Android phones, 10 watt for older Samsung models, and 7.5 watts for iPhones. This makes it perfect for those times when you need to boost your battery during a commit. Case compatibility. No need to remove your phone case. It works with most slim cases, saving you time and effort. Built-in safety feature. It includes protection against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. These safeguards give you peace of mind while charging. Adjustable viewing angles. Thanks to the 360-degree rotation, you can easily switch between portrait mode for calls and landscape mode for navigation apps. It's super handy when you are driving. I took this charger for a test drive to see how it handles real-world conditions. First, the auto clamping feature is game changer. It grips the phone firmly even on bumpy roads, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. The charging speed is impressive. I started with 20% battery and after about 30 minutes of driving, my phone was up to 50%. That's plenty for short commutes on long trips. Using navigation apps in a landscape mode is seamless, and the mount stays stable no matter how often I adjust the angles. Overall, it's reliable and user-friendly. After using the Geek Wireless Car Charger, here is what stands out to me. First, the design and functionality are impressive. The charger looks great in the car and works exactly as advertised. The auto clamping arms make it effortless to dock and undock your phone, and the adjustable viewing angles add a lot of convenience. The fast charging is a huge plus. Whether you are heading out for a short drive or a long trip, it keeps your phone powered up without overheating or overcharging. The Geek Wireless Car Charger is absolutely worth it. It combines style, performance, and convenience, making it a must-have for anyone who uses their phone frequently while driving. Whether you are rely on navigation apps, take hands-free calls, or just need a reliable way to charge your phone, this charger delivers. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.